Hi everyone, my name is Robert Maddox and I am the Vice President of Technology for Consumer Relocation Services LLC. I'd like to welcome everyone today for joining us and learning how to use MyNewCity.com to capture and track more relocation referral leads. I've been marketing on the web for over 12 years and have led many successful online and offline marketing campaigns for various lead generation tools, telemarketing, street canvassing, and online-based campaigns. I've helped many organizations from home improvement to major record labels and major television networks, and I've put my expertise into the designing of this system. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to cover the basics of the system, how it works, and how it can benefit you in your current marketing situation. What is MyNewCity.com? MyNewCity.com hosts the largest library of city area videos on the web. We are constantly updating and adding new productions to the library every week in multiple formats. Ask yourself one simple question. If you were moving to a new city, wouldn't you like to see the area before you make the move? Even people living in the area watch our videos and discover nuances in their own towns. This can be a new way to capture your local community and help the market grow. For viewers to use the site, they simply choose their desired state, find the city they want to see, click on it, and before they can watch the video, they have to register to use the website. Our capture page uses an integrated Facebook module to check and see if they are logged into Facebook, and then it automatically fills out the form with public information from their Facebook profile. We use Facebook to limit the amount of spam that comes in, and of course bogus signups in the system. We also have a quarterly drawing for a chance to win a free television, so people want to give the right info. If they're not logged into Facebook, no problem. The form still allows the viewer to register, and now we have captured the user. This technology is up to date and compatible with browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari for Apple users, and is also tested to work with Apple products and Android mobile devices. Our videos are released in multiple formats, so whether the viewer is on a mobile device or on their desktop or other internet-ready devices, they can still watch the video. Unfortunately, there are some known issues with Internet Explorer users, so the Facebook integrated tool has to be refreshed, and we give a notice for this for those users. Facebook is refusing to alter their code for Microsoft's lack of an updated browser. Currently, Internet Explorer is only at 19% of the market share and has been on a steady decline in the general population in recent years. We've solved this problem by giving instructions on how to fix this. Viewers using the outdated Internet Explorer can still register and sign up. All this is great when capturing information, but let's get to the meat of it. How do we track leads and hits to MyNewCity.com and know where that originated lead came from? Well, it's very simple. What we have done is we have developed an associate tracking system by click campaigns. We assign each of our affiliates a unique ID and generate unique link codes to put onto your website, blog, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any of your social media, or anywhere else on the web that accepts linking to websites in HTML code. This link will also work on a smartphone device sent via text messaging and also can be put into your email signature. I'm sure by now that you've seen the QR codes popping up everywhere. You may already know that users on mobile devices can scan these codes and immediately connect to a website or link of your choice. You can print QR codes on posters, business cards, flyers, signs, stickers, or post the code in magazines or print ads. You can choose to have us generate the QR code for you. This service is included free with your membership. Just email support@mynewcity.com to get this set up. Okay, the most important thing, of course, is how are you going to make your money back using this lead system? There are several ways that you can do this. The leads that are captured can be a listing lead. Let's say someone's moving from Orlando and looking at New York. Well, they possibly may have a home to sell in Orlando and they're wanting to buy a home there in New York. Therefore, you have just created a listing lead for you to sell in your own area and a buyer lead has been created for you to place as a referral and build your real estate network across the country. Did you just capture a renter? This type of lead can also be sold to management property companies or kept if you work that facet of real estate. Marketing and lead management. We have designed our system to track your progress so you can set goals with your relocation lead generation and see how effective you are in your marketing. Remember, you do not want to just tell viewers to go to MyNewCity.com because we will have no idea of where they came from and who originated that lead. That's why we devised a back-end system that shows you exactly what you need to do. So simply, we're just going to walk you through this. Once you're a member, you'll be assigned a login and a password. Here you can log in, and you can of course view your account details. And now here's where the important stuff comes in. We have affiliate tools. If you click on this link right here, you can see where you can grab your banner codes, and we have all different sizes. And you can copy and paste this. This is where you'd want to put it onto your website or your blog. Let's go ahead and go back here to the main menu, and we've got the text link. And the text link is something that you're going to want to use either as a standalone link on your website, your blog, your email signature, posted on Facebook. You know, anywhere that you can put the links on the web, this is what you're going to want to use, because some sites don't allow you to put HTML code while others do. But usually, as a precaution, these type of text links are very universal to use in many different applications. This is also what you'd want to use if you're going to be texting the link to someone via your mobile device. We also have here, we have traffic logs and statistics. Here you can track all of your activity. You can see how many clicks you have going on. You can look down to the day. You can look to the week. You can look to the month. You can look at all the different tools that you're using and see which ones are more effective for you. You can also see where people are coming in from the system. You can track which websites are generating the most activity for you, whether it's your own website or whether it's a text, you know, what kind of mobile device that they're using, or if they're using a desktop, what type of browser they're using. All this analytics is built in the functionality of this program, so you can completely track your progress and set goals for yourself. Okay, let's get to the most important part of the system, of course, the leads. Whenever a user signs up on MyNewCity.com from a text link or a banner link ad, you're going to get that email automatically. The system checks for your user ID from that unique code that we give you, and then it automatically generates a form and sends it right to your inbox. That's fantastic. You can go right to your email. You'll know in real time what's going on and how many leads that you're generating. Let's say that you're a little forgetful sometimes. Well, that's what this section's for. This section consolidates all of your lead activity, so you can come right in. There's a place here where you can actually put what the status of the lead is to keep track of it. We are doing several updates on this part of the website in the next week, and you will see a place where you can actually put in the status of the lead. So you can tell us whether you've made the first contact with them, buyer lead, a seller lead, a renter. You can reject the lead. You can let us know that it was spam, or that, you know, this person just told you to recontact them at a later date. Our system will also send you reminders on updating the status of the lead to keep you on track. Unique lead generation system is unlimited on bandwidth, unlimited number of listing leads, unlimited number of buyer leads to place, tracking statistics of clicks, tracking statistics of conversions, lead delivery right to your email, full social media integration, and of course we'll give you a marketing guide to give the best out of this lead generation tool. I'm going to be hosting training classes on how to implement your unique link effectively on the web. Lock in your service today and get the guarantee of never seeing a price increase for this service.
I'd like to thank everyone for joining us today and taking a look at the overview of our system. If you have any questions whatsoever, please email us at support@mynewcity.com. Thanks again for joining us and learning how to start generating more relocation leads today.